Check it out, very flexible, true to its name. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Flexzilla hose. I did purchase this product by myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here walking us through some of the key features. So this has extreme all-weather flexibility, won't kink under pressure, and it's drinking water safe. We have the 10-foot version here in the studio. Now let's go ahead and open it up. Here are all the contents. As you can see, we have the hose itself. So check it out. We got the Flexzilla logo and branding. You can see our two connectors right here. They are metallic, and we have a big O-ring seal inside. Here's the other side, same thing. Definitely going to be metal construction right there. Then you can see we have our plastic Flexzilla cover that does remove. If you do want to see that for any reason, you can see in there. The Flexzilla logo and branding, water, you can see our inside diameter 5/8 inch. And we have our PSI rating on here as well. If you can see that 150 for our water pressure. And check it out, very flexible, true to its name. Everything looks great. Love the color scheme we have going on here. Now let's go ahead. Let's try it out. So here we go. You can see we have the hose installed on the back of our dehumidifier. So probably not the most exciting life for the Flexzilla here, but it's going to be perfect for our application, which will be to allow our dehumidifier in this basement to have continuous draining. So there you go. You can see everything in action. It looks great, and most importantly, it works great. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat. Check out our website and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.